Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Brainplosion. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the world's blackest paint. But before getting started, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I make new videos. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and supporting this channel. The website I got it off it's called like culturehustle.com. So the actual paint is called Oh my goodness, I suck at this. Okay, so the actual paint is called Black 3.0. It says super flat, super matte, ultra pigment, acrylic paint. Do not eat it, drink it, or blah, 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 blah. Do shake well before use. Okay, so one of the things that we're gonna do is get different, I guess, what would you call it? Mediums of black. So like a black pen, a black Sharpie, and then at the very end, use the Black 3.0 just to see how dark it really is compared to everything else. So I've got a few things. Yes, I know that a pencil isn't necessarily black. So I wanna just see how it looks compared to a pencil. I got this Papermate pencil. I got this other pencil that I just had lying around, and then I got a Sharpie. So 4 things versus the Black 3.0. You gotta make sure you shake well. Okay, as you can see, we got the pencil, we got the 2 pens. They're kind of similar, although I think that this one is a bit darker. I could be wrong. They probably are from the same, type of brand. We got the Sharpie right here, and then we got Black 3.0. Clearly, Black 3.0 is the darkest. I thought it would be kind of like pitch black. It could be just because of the paper. I thought it would blow my mind away. To some extent it is, but you look for yourselves. I'll kind of do like a top-down shot. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is flash my phone light on all of these shades of black and then see how reflective they are. I think this is Black 3.0's claim to fame. So let's check that out. Yes, and before anybody asks, yeah, my phone is cracked. So as you guys can see, this mechanical pencil is really reflective of the light. This second one is as well. Third one is a bit darker. Like I said, I feel like it's a bit darker than this one, but it's still reflective of the light. And then we got the Sharpie, and then we got Black 3.0. And this is pretty impressive, honestly. It's pretty absorbent of the light. Like it's in the camera, it looks like it's pitch black, but in person, it's still pretty absorbent of the light. Just a quick run through. And then Black 3.0 still pretty black. Okay, so here we have our aluminum. I'm going to paint over one of these to see if the aluminum doesn't shine anymore whenever you paint Black 3.0 over it. So it says to put 2 coats if it's shiny. All right, as you guys can see, the Black 3.0 impressively is taking away all the sheen, all the shine off of the aluminum. Like this paint is on aluminum and it's pretty impressive. Like it's not glossy, it's not shiny like this one. Like they're from the same piece of aluminum. Do you see how shiny this aluminum is? And then look at this with a Black 3.0. This is pretty impressive. I'll give Black 3.0 on that. It's pretty impressive. All right, so for our last little bit of this experiment with Black 3.0, I'm going to paint the front of the owl in Black 3.0 because you can see all the little details in the owl. I feel like if you paint Black 3.0 on it, you're not gonna see the details as much. And then on the back, I'm just gonna leave plain white so you can see all the details in the owl. And I just want to see the contrast between just pure white and then Black 3.0. So let's get to it. All right, as you guys can see, this is the owl in Black 3.0. You can't really tell the details in the eyes that much like before compared to the back. Yes, that little smidgen right there. I accidentally got a little bit of paint on the back of it, but yeah, look, Here's the detail, clear as day, that you can see that. And then the black, you can't really tell the details too much. Kind of crazy the difference between the two, black 3.0 and then just regular white. The contrast in the two is pretty significant. Well, all right guys, thank you so much for watching. I still have a good amount of this black 3.0, so if you want to see me paint some stuff with this, maybe drop an Amazon link or leave a comment down below and I can try to get to it. I have some more of the steel ball videos coming up. Seems like a lot of you want more of that, so more of that is coming up. If you guys have any suggestions on what you want to see on this channel, I'm all ears. Yeah, have a great day guys. I'll see you next time. Peace.